Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today I have a new customer, new truck in my shop. It's 96 Toyota Tacoma. I will say these are becoming absolute classics. This truck, it's old and beat up and has a high miles, like 280,000 miles, but look, I will say this design was absolutely timeless. It still looks really cool. And this customer told me a very interesting story. So this will be a video storytelling. He said that he was driving with his wife this truck. It's like a month ago. And he was saying, hey, there's that guy, he has that job, great reviews. We should take it to him, that he will check up everything if some parts are not loose. So we will know that the truck is safe to operate and everything is fine. And she said, yes, let's do an appointment and get the truck inspected. Well, apparently, within 15 minutes, something broke in front, I think passenger side. The whole truck collapsed on one side. They ended up on this side of the road and they needed to be towed after from the woods. Apparently, the towing costed just the towing because off-roading was like $250. And unfortunately, they end up spending like $2,100 on the repairs. So let's go look what happened there and what is replaced. And the owner just came back while I'm inspecting the vehicle, and I showed him his brake fluid, which is absolutely black, contaminated. It looks like 10, 20 years old. You will agree, correct? Well, guess what? He just told me that that was completely flushed while that repair was done 2-3 weeks ago. Wow. And now what we can see here for the damages. Apparently he was told that it was caused by broken upper control arm ball joint. So you can see it brand new here, and that's what's apparently broke and start ripping and damaging everything else. So what you don't see, probably there is a brand new CV axle that got damaged too. You can see the ring there, the dust shield is new. So we have upper ball joint. We have a tie rod end with the ball joint. He has a new lower ball joint. Somehow that strut survived that because it's identical with the strut on the other side. What they called him later, they didn't see it immediately, they said that rack and pinion was also damaged, probably bent a little bit or something. So they said, hey, that needs to be done. Unfortunately, what we discovered together, they said after removing and replacing this brake line, because it was probably ripped off and he lost some brake fluid. They claim they made a brake fluid flush, but you saw that brake fluid condition, that was awful. So they probably only topped it, what was lost here from the accident. They topped it off, but they never flushed the whole system. How can we see it? This really happened 2 or 3 weeks ago. Do you see those? Do you see that bleeder valve? That wasn't touched definitely recently to flush the fluid from here. There's absolutely no marks on the bleeder valve. Cleaning it, cracking it open, sucking that old brake fluid out. So that was not done. We can clearly see. They just stopped it instead of bleeding the whole system. That wasn't open forever too. So That's clear, we have a clear evidence. However, the moral of the story, if you start having upper ball joint play, don't put it on the back burner. Don't wait until it breaks, because that ball joint, upper arm ball joint replacement, labor and work, what it will be, $200, something like that, just off the hip. Yet here we have a bill for $2,100. So maintenance and servicing the vehicle is really important to prevent these catastrophic scenarios. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.